inclusive world, inclusive India, the world of magic, is spreading the message of social inclusion of persons with disabilities. This is not a regular magic show, but this is a special show designed for spreading the message of social inclusion of persons with disabilities. This is a journey started from Kanyakumari on 6th of October. That is World Cerebral Palsy Day. And we are traveling through the length and breadth of our motherland and reaching Delhi on 3rd of December. That is the International Disability Day. Ladies and gentlemen, the goal of the program is simple but profound. That is breaking the barriers and building bridges. So what are the barriers faced by the person with the disabilities? That may be physical, that may be social, that may be emotional. Physical, like inaccessible buildings; social, like exclusion from the community activities; and emotional, like isolation caused by being misunderstood. Whatever may be the reason, we have to hold our hands together to fight against this, to create an inclusive India. So ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, are you ready for that? Are you ready for that? And here is a beautiful magic for you. For that magic, I'm introducing before you a box, a wooden box. This is a strong, large wooden box. Madam, why don't you come to near to the stage and can you hold this box? And you can take your seat over there, please. Thank you so much for your kind cooperation. You can take your seat with that box. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, for my next magic, I need a wristwatch from your side. For getting this wristwatch, I throw a flying disc to you, and whoever catches that flying disc may please walk onto the dice. And before that, I will introduce you a box. This is a black and white box. Inside this box, I am placing your wristwatch. Watch carefully. Here is the flying disc. Are you ready to catch? And please come with your watch. If you don't have a watch, you can throw it to somebody else and they can come to the stage. Are you ready? All right, here it is. Who got it? Stand up please, stand up please, stand up please. Who got it? Do you have a watch with you? No. You can throw it to somebody else. Do you have a watch? A wristwatch, a wristwatch. No, they are coming, sir. They are coming, there. I will give you a chance. Please come to the stage. Do you have a watch? Watch. Come to the stage. I need somebody from a random selection, that's why. And take your seat, please. What's your name? Take your seat. What's your name?
Amanjit Singh.
Amanjit Singh. Okay. Amanjit Singh, can you show that watch to the audience? Can you see the watch? All right. Now, Amanjit Singh, I'm not even touching your watch. You can place your watch on my kerchief, and you can do that. Please place that kerchief on my watch. All right. Now, my dear friends, you can see the watch over here. I'm just folding this side, and all the sides together, and the watch is safely inside. See, the watch is inside. Okay. So, Amanjit Singh, you haven't it out. You can touch it now. Your watch is there. All right. I'm placing that, and I'm putting a rubber band on it, and your watch is safely inside this box. Can you hear the sound? Okay. Amanjit Singh, you can take your watch, the box, and keep your hand on that. My dear friends, I have 4 keys with me now. So, I gave 4 keys over here with the 4 numbers. Sir, what's your number? 2. Sir, your number is 1. Sir, your number is 4. And your number is 3. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, the box is still there. You can see that box. Can you see that box? All right. Now, the watch from this box is traveling to that box without any of you noticing it. That is passive effect. Watch carefully. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Now the watch is inside that box. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? Can you believe that? Please bring the box, ma'am. Please bring the box. 4, please. Key number 4. Inside this box, number 1 is done. Still, I am saying that the watch is inside this box. Can you believe that? No. Sir, why don't you come to the stage for a second? Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big hand to sir. Sir, come to the stage with the key. And just I am handing over this box to you. See, I am not even touching the box. Sir, you can open that box. You can open that box. And one box is inside. You can take it out, take it out, take it out. Ladies and gentlemen, still it's locked, and can you open that? I am not even touching. I am not even touching. Watch carefully. Something inside. Yes, something inside. Open, sir. Open, sir. Take it out. Take it out. That's the kerchief. And you can release the rubber band. Release the rubber band. Rubber band. Open it now, sir. And what is that? Yeah. Naturally, you have a doubt. What's inside this box? Is it? Ladies and gentlemen, watch carefully. It's nothing but thin air.
I am Gobinath Mudugad. I'm in the field of magic for the last 45 years. I started learning magic when I was 7 years old, and my first performance was 10 years old. And after that, about 45 years, I was in the field of magic. I traveled about 56 countries, and I got the Merlin Award, that is Oscar in magic, in 2011. And 3 years back, I stopped everything. I retired from magic, and now I'm working for the persons with disabilities. I'm conducting one center, that is a different art center. It's a unique model. In that center, we are employing and empowering the person with the disabilities, person with the autism spectrum disorder, cerebral palsy, and that type of children employed there, and they are working there. And we are empowering the children also. That's it. Now I'm on a travel from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, and reaching Delhi on 3rd of December, that is International Disability Day. And we are traveling the length and breadth of our motherland for spreading the messages of the awareness of the social inclusion of persons with disabilities.
We live in a community which has different opinions about magic. Old generation believe that magic is performed with some supernatural powers, while the young generation know that magic is only performed with the power of words. We can use our words to misdirect the attention of the people. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to show you something very interesting. Why don't you please come to the stage, please? Yourself, yeah. Please come to the stage. Let's give a big hand to ma'am. What's her name? Jamuna. What a memory she has. She remembers her name. Jamuna, please come over here. Please come over here. Yeah. I want to say you something. And can you hold this magic wand with you? You are doing the magic. You know magic. You know magic or not? You don't know magic. You can understand English? Yes, you can understand English. Okay. Jamuna, can you move a little bit here? So I want to show you how powerful our words are. So you can see here 3 chairs. One is red in color, second one is blue in color, third one is green in color. Once again, I am showing you that is green, that is blue, and that is red. In that tube, there is a prediction. In this tube, there is a prediction. So, Jamuna ma'am, you can select one chair from this: green, blue, red. Which you prefer? You want green. Take your seat. All right. Now, we have two more chairs over here. One is blue, one is red. You can select one more chair from that. Red one. I'm sitting on this. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is your choice. You selected, sat on that green chair, and you selected a chair for me that is the red chair. All right? Now, my prediction is exactly the same on that. Can you place that here? Can you place that over here? All right. Okay. See, my prediction is exactly the same. So I am asking you one more thing. Do you want to exchange the chairs now? Yes or no? Yes. You want to sit here? You want to sit here? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Come here. All right. She changed her mind. Once again, I'm asking Jingduna, do you want to change again? No. You finalized? Finalized. See, my prediction is exactly the same. You can give it her, please. You cannot take it now. I am not even touching. You can open that, take it out, take the content out. Take it out. You can read what's inside.
I'm on red chair, you are on green, and blue is empty. I'm on red chair, you are on green, and blue is empty.
That's the exact prediction. Do you know how I'm doing this magic? Yeah, that's because of the power of words. So when I'm talking, emphasizing some forces to some modulations on the words, we can misdirect the attention of the people. So take your seat. Thank you for your cooperation.
Actually, when I performed a show in the northern part of my state, I saw lots of children affected with endosulfan. That's a poison spread long back in that the cashew nut trees. And I saw the children are sitting. I thought, why I am performing my shows for entertainment? I have to use this art for some purpose and for a mission and a vision. Then I taught about 23 children through the government of Kerala, the magic. At first, I thought that a smile I can spread through their parents. That's itself is great. Now this scenario is changed and they are employed there now. They are performing every day in Magic Planet. They are getting salary, and that changed their life. They are self-sufficient now, and because of the same reason, we started the different art center, and we are giving a small stipend, and we are giving their food and everything, and we are giving their therapy and everything, and they are. It's a unique model. And one more thing, that is, the Magic Planet is a entertainment park, and the people are coming over there and they are visiting these children. They are clapping their hands, they are appreciating the children, and because of the same reason they are getting very good empowerment through that.
Why don't you come to the stage, please, yourself? Yep, please. So my dear friends, please give a big hand to her. I don't know what's her name. Elena. Okay, Elena. Okay. So Elena, so you saw the video, the short film. So what's your opinion about that?
Very inspiring.
Very inspiring, and we have to break our perceptions. Then only we can create an inclusive India. You're a student or
I'm a student.
You're a student. Okay. Elena, do you like flowers? You like flowers. Okay. So my dear friends, I want to give this flower to you. But one problem, when I am covering with this glass, I cannot give this flower without touching the glass. And I am making it more complicated and covering with another glass cube. Now I cannot give that flower without touching the glass. So here is a message. Elena, listen that. This flower is so beautiful, so innocent. That children are like this. They are so innocent. They are like a flower. So to give freedom to that children, we have to break all the barriers. We have to move the barriers. Then only we can create that. Elena, can you stay over here? Little back, little back, little back. Okay, I will stay here. So just hold your hand like this. You hold your hand like this. And just little more. Yeah, okay. Hold your hand like this. Close all your fingers. Just imagine that there is a stone in your hand. And yes, a stone is there. So to move that glass, we have to throw that stone into the glass. All right? So when I'm saying 1, be ready. When I count 2, be with your action. When I count 3, just throw that into the glass. Simple, okay? So my dear friends, are you ready? Just hold your hand like this. All of you. All of you, please. And close all your fingers. Close all your fingers. Just imagine that there's a stone in your hand. And when I count 3, just throw it to the glass. Are you ready? All right. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Throw that. See that? Move a little bit. That light, don't cover that light. It's block. This we have to do this. We have to break all the barriers to create an inclusive India for the children. All right? So you are the ambassador for that, Elena. And come over here. And here is a flower for you. Thank you very much. Thank you for your kind cooperation. Thank you very much. Have your seat, please.
So through this magic, we are spreading the messages of 5 subjects. That is, the first one is words, second one is the action, third one is the thoughts, next one is the collaboration, and next one is the humane behavior. So these are the subjects we need to support the children with disabilities. So that's why we are spreading this awareness through magic, the art. So the one important thing is that if you are reading an article, if you are listening a speech, it is easy to convey the messages through art of magic. While we are performing magic, we can expect a very big crowd. They will definitely listen to that art. While we are listening to the art, we are giving the messages, the awareness through the art. That's like in the childhood, our mother are giving us the tablet, through that they are giving us some sugar also to show that. So this same method we are using for here also. We are using the art of magic as a sugar to give the very good messages or the awareness to the public.
Sir, you can take one book from this. Which one do you want? All right. You can take this book. Okay. So that's a book written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The name of that book is Forge Your Future. All right. And this book is Who Are These People? This is a famous book, and you can open that book and just go through that book. Go through that book. So how many pages are there, sir?
250.
250. So I'll show you something interesting. That is, see, when I am riffling like this, you can say any word to stop. Okay, that Vaishak, that boy is the same thing. You can say any word to stop and listen to that page number, the first word. Listen to that page number and the first word. Don't say, keep it in mind only. You can say any word to stop, that's your choice. Just I am using this visiting card to cover this side. You can say any word to stop as you wish. Any word to stop, any word to stop. Any word to stop, sir. Yeah, all right. I kept and see the page number and the first word over there. The page number and the first word. The page number and first word. You got it? You got it? All right. Okay. Thank you so much. So, my dear friend, I don't know what's the page number and what's the first word. So, sir, the magic is this one. First of all, you think of that page number. Think of that page number. And listen to my eyes. Listen to my eyes. Listen to my eyes. Listen to my eyes. Just keep that page number in mind. Concentrate, concentrate. Think of that page number. Page number. I think that page is below 100 and above 80. Is it?
Yes, correct.
Yes. Is below 90 and above 80.
Correct.
Below below 85 and above 80.
Correct.
The page number, I think it is 84.
Correct.
And think of that first word. The page number is still there, sir. Wipe out that and think of that word, just a word. That starts with a P? Yes, okay. The word is personality? Correct, okay. That's not the magic I want to show you. Now what's the collaboration, what's the relation between them, that I want to show you. So open that book. Take the page number 84.
It's missing.
It's missing. What's this page number?
It's 82. Then it is 85.
82 and 85. So really what happened is that somebody torn that pages. Can you see this? And ma'am, can you open that book and the page, take it to page number 84 and take it out. No need, you can take it out. This is a collaboration. Please give a big hand to that, please. Wonderful. Open that. Take it out. What that page number? Page 84. Take it out. Okay. What's that? What's the page number?
84.
What's the first word?
Personality.
I will show something interesting. That is, watch carefully. That is perfectly the same. Thank you very much.
Because it's a unique model. So those who are ready to participate with us and they are ready to take the syllabus, our syllabus, we are ready to give all the details to any state. It's not the state, because we are looking for the children, the person with the disabilities.
Do you get any support from the state government?
Not from the state government, not from the federal government too, because this is a non-financial travel. They are not giving anything for us, but they are organizing the program, the national institutes and the CRCs under the Social Justice Department, the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities. The society should come to front line to break all the barriers, to build bridges to them. Society can do, they cannot do anything, but we can do lots of things for them. For example, we have to give the physical accessibility, that's very important. They cannot enter to most of the shopping malls, not to the theater, the stages, near to the beach, they cannot enter. So we have to build the facilities, the accessories for them, the facilities for them. So that's our responsibility, society's responsibility. So we are spreading that message, the physical, the social and the emotional, what they are facing from our society, that we are telling to the people. For definitely a small change will happen in our society, in our country. Definitely we can create an inclusive India through this program.
I want to teach you all a magic. Are you ready to learn? Are you ready to learn? So many friends, first of all, you need some special props with you. The first one is a red silk handkerchief. Second one, a left hand. Do you have a red silk handkerchief? No chance. Do you have a left hand? Yes or no? Raise your hand like this. Wonderful. Okay, then you can learn this magic. Okay. So, first of all, I'll show you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I will show you how I am presenting this magic. Then only I give the secret of presentation. So watch carefully. I roll the silk in between my right and left hand like this to a ball, and I keep the silk ball in my left hand. I take the right hand, take some match salt from the table, sprinkle the match salt on the left hand. Now I ask you where the silk is. Tell me where the silk. Not in the right hand. Not even the table, the silk is in the left hand. Actually, this is not the real presentation of magic. I want to know whether you're listening here or not. So all of you are concentrating well. Thank you so much. But remember, the more you watch, the less you see. For the real presentation, I roll the silk in between my right and left hand like this, to a ball, and I keep the silk ball in my left hand. I take the right hand, it's empty, take some match salt from the table, sprinkle the match salt on the left hand. Now I ask you, where the silk? Where the silk? Not in the right hand, not even the towel. The silk is in the left hand. But when I'm telling the mantra, hocus pocus abracadabra, the magic happened over there, the silk has gone. And what I have here is an egg. Please don't stop, continue. This magic I want to teach you. Are you ready to learn? Are you ready to learn? But two conditions. Don't tell this secret to anybody. Okay? Second one. This is not an ordinary egg. This is a magician's egg. I'm sorry, when I say it's a magician's egg, a lot of people think that it's an egg laid by the magician. No, ladies and gentlemen, it's an ordinary egg made extraordinary by the magician. How? It's quite simple. You go home today, go to your kitchen and take an egg like this. And shake it well. Put a hole here and a hole here. Take the contents out. Wash it thoroughly. Let it dry. You are ready for the magic. Now I'm giving the main secret of this magic. Take a razor blade and make a hole like this. Inside this eggshell, I kept the red silk like that. You got it? You got it? That's the secret of this magic. Now, come to the stage. Now the magical part, the presentation part. Come to the stage by hiding the eggshell in your left hand. Okay? Wave a bright color silk in your right hand. Don't wave the wrong hand. Then tell your audience, ladies and gentlemen, I rolled the silk in between my right and left hand. What you're actually doing? You're just inserting the red silk into the eggshell like this. Now, once it is completely entered, you can show the egg, but one condition, always cover this red portion and show egg like this only. But ladies and gentlemen, some people are very clever. They will ask you, hey magician, can you turn that egg? At that time, what will you do? You just hold this egg in your hand and just turn that egg like this. How? It's quite simple. Do not move the egg, only move your fingers like that. You got the secret? All right, okay. Now, you can show the egg, but one condition. For getting the applause from the audience, magicians always using some magic salt or some magic powder. So, after the eggshell is in your right hand, don't show it immediately, but just pass this eggshell into your left hand and take some magic salt from the table and sprinkle the magic salt on the left hand. Now, telling the mantra hocus pocus abracadabra, you can open the hand and just say that, ladies and gentlemen, the silk has gone, and what I have here is an yuck. Don't show like this, always show like this only. If you're showing like this, people will ask you, what is the red portion? At that time, tell with confidence, ladies and gentlemen, this is a real egg. Then the people will ask you, what is that red portion? At that time, just peel off this red portion and say, pooh. If the audience are not satisfied, ask your friend to bring a glass. Rajan, please bring a glass. And show to the audience and say that, ladies and gentlemen, it's a real egg, and that it.